think about anything which makes you feel good. Can you do that? आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं? बजाय हम उस टॉपिक के बारे में सोचने के, क्या हम किसी और चीज के बारे में सोच सकते हैं जिसको सोचने में उसको अच्छा लगता है? It may be your family, it may be your garden, it can be anything. हम कर सकते हैं. Now we are doing the same thing. What we do is, I am giving you a topic, and the topic is hobby. Alright? Now, right now, imagine who is your role model. Now, can you see Manju Mehmood somewhere here with us? Where is that? थोड़ा सा सिग्नल करो ना, मैं बार-बार आपको दिक्कत होगा. आप लोग हाथ उठाओ. Where is the image? Here. Let's say here. Let's say there. Now, can you look at again the picture of Manju Ma'am right from here? Is she visible? She's visible. Now, when you are looking at Manju Ma'am, actually you are not looking at Manju Ma'am. Your brain is looking at Manju Ma'am. Am I right? Because Manju Ma'am is not here. So, when your brain is watching at that imaginary picture, how does it feel? उसको कैसा महसूस होगा? बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. Now, feel that excitement. Feel it. Can you feel that? Yes? You can feel that. Now you tell me, what's your hobby? Now tell that man, what's your hobby? What's your name?
Vijay.
Viju?
Vijay Kumar.
Vijay. Tell Vijay, what's your hobby?
My hobbies are singing and writing.
It's not audible.
My hobbies are singing and writing.
Good. Now you tell me, ऐसे कौन से टीचर हैं आपके एमसी मीटिंग में जिसको देखो आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है? अभी चाइल्ड से लेकर अभी तक ऐसा कोई टीचर जिसको ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति जिसको देख के गुस्सा आता है? अब उस मंजू मैम के पिक्चर में उसके पिक्चर को ओवरलैप कर दो. ओवरलैप मतलब पिक्चर के ऊपर एक पिक्चर. Right now the image of Manju ma'am is there. Again put the picture of that another woman whom you don't like. अब उसको देख के कैसा फील होगा? गुस्सा. Where is Vijay? Vijay. Now you say, what's your hobby to Vijay?
Singing and dancing.
Yes, good. Now you tell me. अब मेरे को एक बात बताओ. कुछ डिफरेंस समझ में आया? कुछ डिफरेंस नोटिस किए? क्या था डिफरेंस? Exactly. Second time, as soon as I said to her, you imagine something which makes you feel bad. Which makes you feel bad, and she imagined an imaginary person जिसको देख के उसको गुस्सा आता है या बुरा लगता है. और उसके बाद जब मैंने बोला विजय को अपना हॉबी बताओ, तो कैसे बताइए? कैसे बताइए? This is communication anxiety. इस communication anxiety को क्या हम ठीक कर सकते हैं? Can we cure it? Yes, it is as easy as this. You can throw this communication anxiety out within a fraction of a second. But how? You want to know that? The trick is treat your brain. What is the trick? The trick is treat your brain. Before you are going to present a presentation, just think about something which makes you feel good. But how do you do? And what do? You think about something which makes you feel bad. Like, जैसे ही आपको बोला present a presentation, तो आपका क्या होगा? मजा आ रही है. Does that happen or not? This happens or not? Now this makes you feel bad or good? Why? Because you think I am going to perform. But what I am saying is, you are not coming here on the stage to perform. Rather, you are coming here to interact. You are coming here to express. You are coming here to talk. So when you think that I am coming here to express, to talk, and to interact, then you say, my hobby is singing and dancing. Now you tell Vijay, what's your hobby?
Singing and writing.
Again, you look at that imaginary picture of your Manju ma'am. Look at that. Look at that. How do you feel? Again, look at it intensely.
My hobbies are.
Can you see the magic? Now this is the whole trick. This is the whole trick. Before any experienced speaker goes on the stage, he never think about something which makes him feel bad. Rather, he starts thinking about something which makes him feel good. So the whole trick lies in your brain. अगर आप एक सेकंड के लिए ये सोचे, I am going to perform. you won't be able to perform. But if you think I am going to interact, then you can perform. मेरी बात समझ में आई? इस पूरे विश्व में किसी नर्तकी से जाके पूछना अगर मिले कभी, नर्तकी मतलब स्किल्ड, और उससे जाके ये क्वेश्चन पूछना आपका अभी तक का बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस कौन सा है, तो वो आपको बताएगी उस परफॉर्मेंस में मैं ये भूल गई थी कि मैं नाच रही हूँ। मेरी बात समझ में? मैं ये भूल चुकी थी कि मैं नाच रही हूँ कि नहीं। जो सबसे बेस्ट परफॉर्म करता है वो ये याद नहीं रखता कि परफॉर्म वो कर रहा है। जब वो भूल जाता है कि कोई परफॉर्म कर रहा है तब परफॉर्मेंस निकल कर आता है। समझ भाई बात? Do you feel good? So next time when somebody will ask you to present a presentation, just look at the image of Manju. All right, thank you very much.